What's good, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another video. And in today's video, we will be embroidering on a hat, and this is a special video. The reason why is because I recently lost a brother-in-law. So very emotional day and week and time for everyone, especially when you lose a loved one. And this video will be dedicated to him. Rest in heaven, rest in peace. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So as you can see right here, this will be the stitch out. Just a little quick sneak peek. Now let's get back over here. I'm going to be using the purple hat, and this was for his fraternity, so I am using the purple. So without further ado, we're going to get into the video. And hey guys, if you have loved ones you don't see as much, go check them out, see how everyone's doing. It's only right. Now let's get into it. One thing you always want to think about is this. We all have to go one day. We all know that. But what legacy would you leave when you do eventually take that last breath? Don't want to make it sound harsh, but seriously, what do you bring? What do people remember you by? Think about it. So if you guys are still there watching, can you do me a huge favor and hit those notifications? Subscribe to the channel as well as thumbs up the video. It'll be greatly appreciated. As always, thank you guys for the support. Let's continue to grow together. Let me know how everything turning out so far, guys. Go ahead and put that down in the comment section below. I would love your feedback, so go ahead and give it to me. Let me know the good, the bad, and the ugly. So go ahead and put it down in the comment section below. right, we are done with the embroidery and the stitch out. So you know the routine. Without further ado, let me go ahead and take it off the hoop, show you guys the final result. And yes, if you have any questions on who digitized it, I do my own work. So let's go ahead and see the final result. Stay tuned. All right, let me know what you guys think. This is the final result. How did the face come out? Looks clean, looks good. Coach Pink. Couple of jump stitches I'm going to go ahead and cut, but just want to show you guys the final result. Y'all see that. Big Cleveland. 216, we here. But yeah, came out good, looked great. Looks amazing. It's good. So, until next time, as always, once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. Stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. I'm out.